So I have to turn the CO2 on and then turn on this little pad. So after that, kind of pull up a chair, and I just want to get all the flies onto the CO2 pad. So normally knock them down to the bottom, and once they're all kind of passed out. So the research that I'm working on is a genetic mapping project of lethal mutations. I started this research project the second semester of my freshman year. So I've had a lot of this research under my belt that I've been able to use on different applications, like applying for different jobs or applying for medical school, which I did this past semester. And so that's something that really makes me stand out to other applicants, but it's also something that I've really enjoyed doing. What I like about the research that I'm doing are those days that we come in and get to see the results. A lot of the times we come in, we're setting up crosses or screening for virgins or running a PCR again and again, but then out of a semester of doing that, we'll have a couple of days where we get to see the results from it. And we really see all of the little and kind of mundane work that we've done come together and see what it was all for. And that's really exciting to me.